In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit on Weltrade. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to your dashboard, and of course, you want to have one of your real accounts you can deposit on. After that, click on the deposit button up top right. And then here you have to select one of the deposit methods available. So you have e-wallets, you have crypto, or here you can do whatever you want. So here you have, as you can see, cryptocurrencies, Binance Pay. You could use a card like Visa, MasterCard, Union Pay. You could use Neteller, Skrill, Volat, or FaceApp. Okay, so it's completely up to you. I'm just going to show you how to use some of these here. So it's actually very convenient. Whichever method you choose, you can just follow the steps on your screen and you'll be able to deposit easily. So if I go ahead, for example, and use this card, which is Visa or MasterCard, I can just go ahead and over here select the account I want to deposit on, like this one, and then the amount, I'll do 100, the payment currency, and then of course a bonus if you want a bonus as well. And then here you can just press continue, and if everything looks good in the review, click on confirm. And then it's going to take you to a separate page where you can put in your card details, and then you'll be able to basically deposit on here. Now, if you selected any of the other options here, let me actually pop into these really quickly. There we go. Like crypto, for example, you can just click on crypto. Again, select your amount and the account, and then here the payment currency, which can be any of these on the list. I'm just going to do, let's do USDT now. And then of course you also have to select your network. So for this network, I'm just going to use the Avalanche chain over here. And then again, the bonuses, if you want them, you can do so. And here you can see the exchange rates, etc. And then press continue. Again, you're going to have to basically see if everything looks correct. If it does, press confirm again, and then you will receive your address to which you basically have to deposit, okay? So as you can see, it's pretty convenient. You can just click on the deposit button over here, select your method, go through the steps, and then you'll be able to deposit onto your account. So it's that easy. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.